Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at this gorgeous black and red 240 Solstice Harris pontoon. This pontoon has the French gray interior. It's a center walkthrough with dual helm layout. As you can see, it goes all the way to the back here. It's powered by a Mercury Pro 200 horsepower engine. Of course, it has a ski bar, tow bar, telescoping ladder. There's lots of cup holders in this boat, and they're all lit up with blue interior lighting. There's also cup holders in the seat armrests of each of the loungers. Comfortable having your drinks right next to you. Here at the helm, it's a full back chair with a flip up bolster in case you have people in front of you and you need to see over them. At the helm, we have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel, depth finder, all nice tacks. We also have a JL audio radio. Everything's Bluetooth capable, able to hook up and connect easily. This model also has auto trim, which helps you trim the boat if you need help doing that. The interior lights, again, all the cup holders have rings around them, except for the ones here as you see in the armrests. There's also rope lighting underneath all the seat bases, speaker lights, JL speakers, subwoofer, and in this model you get in-floor storage as well. Lastly, you have a changing room here next to your door. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and see one of these pontoons today.